Volunteers at the 2008 Women of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America gathering in Salt Lake City worked to assemble and distribute in-kind gifts to congregations and nonprofit agencies in the area. The gifts included gift cards and prepaid phone cards, materials for school and health kits, quilts, heart pillows, and fleece for blankets, and yarn for knitting hats and preemie caps.
The message that we're trying to send with in-kind gifts is helping others through mission projects. Women who love to knit and crochet, that is an opportunity and a gift that they can use. So all of the gifts that women have, we have a way where they can use them for the greater good, locally and globally.
The volunteer work was split into 8 docs, or activities: letter writing to members of Congress, assembling health and school kits, gathering gift and phone cards, knitting, sewing, donating food, learning about homelessness, and exploring involvement in global water projects.
This doc is basically, it's based on the Come to the Water thing. And what would you have to do if you had to pump that water in your hometown because there was no free-flowing water? It wasn't easy to get water, and you had to pump water from a well and take that water home to your village. And so it just makes women think about the journey that most women in other countries have to take.
I have done this since 1987 in my home congregation. It's a project near and dear to my heart. And you know, who is our neighbor? Everybody. And it's part of taking care of our neighbor. Whoever they are, keep them in our prayers, no matter what the need may be. And with all the disasters and things that are happening in the world today, there are so many people. We often think of helping in this manner as helping those across the sea, but we're finding out we need the help right here as well as across the sea.
For the greater good of society, Lutheran women are already doing it. We're involved in quite a few things, including advocacy in terms of writing our congressmen about certain bills that are being passed for social problems, feeding the hungry. Many of our churches do have food banks, giving clothing to the homeless. We also have clothing drives at different churches.
Recipients of the in-kind gifts included Utah Food Bank Services, Primary Children's Medical Center, Navajo Santa, and Crossroads Urban Center. Luke Tatge, Salt Lake City.